Guys, we're going to be performing the beep test. It's probably the most commonly used test in the world for cardiovascular endurance, okay? There's different levels to it. There's 21 levels to this test. I don't know if anybody's ever been recorded at a level of 21. I don't think there has. Your Premier League players are hitting anywhere between 15, around about the 15 level. It's a club in Australia, they won't give you a pro contract unless you're at level 13. Comparative kids your age in academies in Europe are more than likely hitting in the 11 and the 12 range, okay? And so it's a great indicator of how fit you are. And basically what it's going to do at the beginning of the season here, it's going to give us a base level reading of where your fitness is at. We'll test you a month from now, we'll test you 2 months from now, just so you can have feedback in terms of where you are in terms of your fitness level. Now what you do, we'll start from the edge of the penalty area. This is 20 meters away, which is 65 feet 7 inches away from here. There's different stages, okay? So at level 1, you'll be running backwards and forwards. You don't run until you hear the beep, okay? You've got to get to the other line here. Before it beeps. If you don't get to the line, if you're here and it beeps, that's 1 out. Don't give up, just like in the game. You have to try, you get 1 chance to make it up to the other side. That's it. If you don't make it up to the other side, you're out. Like, you wear the best boots, you wear the best uniforms, you wear everything. You might fake it. But I'll tell you what, there's one thing that you can't fake in football, and that's fitness. Because it will show. It will show on Saturday, it will show in cup games, it will show everything that you do, fitness. Either you're fit or you're not fit. We'll see. Get your head down, let's get on with some hard work, and that's why we're here. And you will get the benefits of this hard work by winning championships at the end of the year, guarantee it.
Charlie, you're running.
Right there, make sure you're behind the cones, nobody in front of the cones. Good job, Lucas.
Level 8, 11. Start level 9, 1. Level 9, 2.
And then there was 5. Bye.